Uh. Are you wearing your new Puma outfit? Are you? Do you like your new Puma outfit? It matches your eyes. Is that your new snort? Do your snort again. Go. Brielle. Brielle, go. You doing it again? Do your snort. Brielle. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Is that your snort? You don't even know why you're snorting, do you? Do you know why? Do you know why you're snorting? Alright, say bye-bye.